In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the voice generator in Clipchamp, making it incredibly simple and efficient to add voiceovers to your projects. So let's dive in and get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Clipchamp's official website by typing clipchamp.com into the address bar. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in, so look for the sign in button and give it a click. If you prefer using your Microsoft account, feel free to do so. Simply click on Continue with Microsoft and follow the prompts to select your account. This will ensure you have access to all the features Clipchamp offers. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on the Clipchamp homepage. Here, you want to proceed by clicking on Create a new video, which will bring up the video editor interface. To bring in your video assets, look for the Import Media option. Once you've selected that, you can easily drag and drop your video files into the timeline area. This intuitive process allows you to get started with your video project swiftly. Now let's move on to adding a voiceover. Locate and click on the Record and Create button within the editor. This is where you'll be able to type out the script you want the voice generator to read aloud. Once you've hit this button, the first thing you need to do is select the language for your voiceover. Clipchamp offers a variety of languages to choose from, allowing you to cater to different audiences. After selecting a language, it's time to choose the voice. Take your pick from the available options to find the one that best suits your video's style and tone. If you want more control over how the voice sounds, click on the Advanced settings. Here, you're able to customize the emotional tone of the voice, select the vocal pitch, and adjust the pace at which the text is spoken. These options are great for adding personality or emphasis to particular parts of your script. Once you're satisfied with your settings, proceed to type in the text for your voiceover. You can be as detailed or as concise as you need. Remember, this text is what your audience will hear, so clarity and relevance are key. Finally, once you're done typing and are happy with how everything sounds, don't forget to save your work. Click on the Save button to ensure your voiceover is added to the video timeline. And that's it, your voiceover is now part of your video project and ready for any finishing touches you might want to add. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Clipchamp's voice generator to add dynamic voiceovers to your videos. With these steps, enhancing your video projects has never been easier. Thanks for watching and have